So this is an amazing project, and we're so happy to be on board with you guys and to help you out.
Yeah, we're excited. We're excited we were able to do something like this.
Can you explain to us what the project is all about?
Basically, what was going on was, obviously it being such a big crisis and everyone wanting to do their part to be able to help and to show support and to really be there in some way, shape, or form to all the first responders who are really risking so much. They're risking their health, they're risking their families to basically support our families, So a lot of franchisees were going out of their way personally in their own organizations and their own McDonald's restaurants to kind of reach out to their local law enforcement and to the first responders and hospitals in their areas and their communities. So there was a lot of people getting support that way, but it was very small. And there wasn't really like a clear message to a lot of the first responders of how we want to be there to support them. Well, luckily, we had a lot of messages, kind of sent up through the system, and we were able to come together system-wide to be able to create a program that we could get advertising around so that first responders and any medical worker and anyone that's showing up to the front lines knows that they have this kind of support. So we were really excited that we were able to get everyone on board and united to be able to provide this kind of initiative nationwide to everybody. So basically what it is that, we're doing thank you to our heroes and thank you meals to everybody. So it's not complicated. We made it as simple as possible.
Right. That's the thing. How do people get the thank you meal?
It's very easy. All you have to do is show up. Show up.
Okay.
All you have to do is show up. You just need to show, an ID or just, be dressed in your uniform and request the thank you meal and just say that that's what you're there for. And when you do that, you can go during breakfast, you can go lunch, dinner, whenever you want. And we'll provide a meal, to everybody that comes in. It's going to be served to you in a Happy Meal box because we want to continue to spread joy and those happy memories that we were talking about earlier.
Yes.
There's something about that red box that, really makes everybody feel good. So we're going to be giving the meal to everybody in that box.
What does the thank you meal include?
Well, it depends. For breakfast and obviously the rest of the day is different.
Okay.
But in your meal, you can get an egg McMuffin for breakfast or chicken McGriddles. You can get the bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. All the meals come with a soft drink of any size, coffee, hash browns. For lunch, you can get a double cheeseburger. You can get 6-piece nugget meal or a fillet of fish. And that also comes with a drink, our famous fries.
This is great. And how long is it going to last? The duration?
It's 2 weeks. We're doing it for 2 weeks system-wide. So May 5th is when it ends. It already began. And we've gotten a huge response. We've already had more than 100 meals go out per restaurant just in the last couple days. So we're glad that the word is out and that people are coming in, to be able to get kind of reimbursed. This is our reimbursement to you for all the work and the sacrifice that you're doing for us.
That's beautiful. Speaking of my childhood, I see a picture of Ronald McDonald behind you.
Oh, I know. Oh, did you see my mask? Okay, look, check this out because I'm very nostalgic.
Okay, I'll put on mine. Hold on, I got mine.
Yeah.
No, I wanted that. That's beautiful.
Yeah. Oh. I mean, I do have to give a shout out to our vendors that have really done an amazing job and gone above and beyond, because obviously we have a lot of employees that are coming in and the ones who want to work in our stores and want to provide for the communities, we want to make sure that they feel safe as well. So we really have to give a shout out to our vendors that have been able to secure over 100 million masks for our employees. But as that gets shipped to the restaurants, there's still a need. So there's a lot of employees themselves that have volunteered to make masks. Us as operators have been making masks. So I went on a hunt and I found as much nostalgic burger material I could find, and give out to those who want to support our brand and wear our masks. So yeah.
Awesome. So, just a quick recap. As long as you have an ID with you and you could prove that you're working in the health.
Right. If you're in uniform and you have some sort of ID, you can request a thank you meal, and we'll be more than happy to say thank you and to provide a meal.
That's beautiful. Thank you, guys. That's amazing.
No, are you kidding? I mean, it is the least we can do. It is the least we can do.
Awesome.